slime lane, I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RepKicks back here once again with another video, and this time we're reviewing this pair of Amiri jeans from YesKicks. Again, the last video y'all really seemed to like, so I did end up copying another pair from them. And if you do continue, or if you do want to continue seeing these Amiri videos, let me know in the comment section down below, especially from YesKicks, because they have budget pairs. I think their Amiris are $49.99 or something like that. I just forgot how much I paid for these or the other ones, but yeah, let me know for sure if y'all want to see more Amiri reviews from this site. This is probably the only place I'm gonna get like Amiris from now on, just because of how cheap they are, and I have so many like pairs of jeans at this point that I can't really even be bothered to. I wear like literally the same 2 or 3 pairs all the time, so, and I have like probably 10 pairs by now with these ones. So oh shit, my bad. I pulled down the menu. I was wondering because I like tapped my phone by accident. I pulled down the menu, but yeah, I got like, yeah, a lot of pair of jeans, or a lot of pairs of jeans. So I'm not really planning on spending big bank to get like tons of other pairs from like every designer and all that sort of stuff, because they're more pricey. Quality may be a little bit better, but for what, when this quality is just as good, or it seems just as good, and you're paying a fraction of the cost. So anyways, I digress. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you don't like what you see, click out the video. It's that easy. You took about 2 weeks to get here with DHL, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the questions. For the most part, I ordered these with a pair of shoes. Came inside the shoebox, and the shoebox was double boxed, of course, by people over at YesKicks. So YesKicks.cn, that's the website. Got the email, the WeChat, and if you use the iReview code right there, just iReview, you can save yourself $15 site-wide. So make sure you take advantage of that code if y'all are gonna shop. I don't condone it, but you guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. Anyways, let's get into the video, man. I'm not trying to take too long on these. You guys know, especially with the jean videos, I like to keep it short, sweet, to the point. So let's get into it. Pretty simple pair of jeans. These are just a black washed pair of jeans. You got some of this like lighter wash, I guess, throughout the jeans. But yeah, so let's just get into what's the nitty-gritty insides, stuff like that. Here's the size tag right here. So you can see size, what does it say? 36? These were supposed to be 36. Yeah, it says 36, just looks weird. So that's already a thing that's like meh, but these are size 36. They do fit true to size. For y'all wondering and asking me and stuff like that constantly. So yeah, they do fit true to size. You got this little Amiri tag right here. Nothing else really, I don't think. It looks like the tag got stitched underneath these, so you might come across these sorts of things when you're paying like 50 bucks for a pair of jeans, but I promise y'all, it's definitely worth the money you save as opposed to buying on a different website, and it's 100% worth the money you save as opposed to buying $1,000 jeans from the companies themselves. In my opinion, that's just my opinion. Like I said, I don't condone rep or UA stuff, but you guys do what you want, right? So the little mirror tag up here. I don't think there's anything else inside the jeans, honestly, in terms of tagging. The only other thing is just this thing on the back that just says Amiri with this little black leather patch. But yeah, besides that, pretty simple. Here's a little button, it says Amiri on it, as y'all can see. Then you got the zipper. It doesn't say Riri on it like some zippers do, so I don't know if that's something they changed or it's just because it's cheaper, so you know, it's not 100% accurate. I don't really know. But yeah, the rest of the jeans, pretty simple. You can see this is the first touch of detail here. You got this kind of like suede nubuck material on the, when you'd be wearing these would be the right pocket, I believe. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. Besides that, some little distressing coming down here, see some more actual holes here, as well as here. I'll just go over the left side first. Left side, you got some little this looks like giraffe or cheetah print patch right there, and then it's like goes to this olive green one. Underneath that, you got another actual hole with nothing patched. Then some little stripes right here, and then this kind of like looks like a pillow, honestly, material. And then underneath that, I don't really know what to call this, but it's just another design. So this is like more of like a patchwork pair of jeans. Not really my thing, but it's nice to have just in case I want to switch it up for real like one day. On this side, you just got this Amiri right here. You got these little patches of designs, nothing crazy again. And then you also have a hole here. It is covered, it's not actually showing any skin. It's covered by this little patch. A little distressing here, nothing else besides that. But the stitching on this looks pretty good. This is my first time checking it out close. Might have to like take out some of these stitches. Like you can see, this one is fully intact on both sides, so I'm gonna cut that shit off. But yeah, other than that, the stitching looks clean. No real issues I see, honestly, so that's good. Then you can see the A here on the back too. Looks like some connected stitching right here, so I'm gonna have to deal with that. But yeah, if you get jeans that have embroidering on them, you're probably gonna get something like this if you're buying them from YesKicks. That's just what it is. It's for the price, so yeah, you guys can just easily deal with this by just cutting it off with a pair of scissors and you're straight. So for the front of the jeans, that's pretty much it. Flip them over to the back real quick, and there's not a whole lot to talk about here, but you can see left pocket, this nubuck material again, nubuck leather, and then the right pocket, literally a normal pair of jeans pocket. So it's pretty cool how it has that touch. Nothing else really. Again, it just goes from fully black to like this sort of fading, and then you got the A from the Amiri here, so it'll wrap around your leg when you wear them. I think the first time I ever saw people wearing these jeans, or the first person I ever saw wearing these jeans, was Tory Lanez, I think, like way back though. It was like a year and a half ago, something like that. And they're actually fire, honestly, with the right fit. You gotta like kind of keep it simple with a pair of jeans like this when you're styling them though. You can't like wear this and then wear like a graphic tee, like 10 different things on them. Kind of play it simple, like wear these pair of simple shoes, not a whole lot going on, and then just like a black or white tee, something like that, maybe a side bag. That's what I would style it with. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Pretty long review, especially for a pair of jeans. So yeah, if you're new to the channel and you do like what you see, make sure to show some love. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully y'all are good, stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.